Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. Today's reading is going to be different, Taurus. We are picking cards for your past and present energies of your love situation and the future, guys. So, first set of cards will be for the past and the present, and the next set for the future of this connection. So it is going to be a total love reading. And I have the general guidance coming up after this reading, guys, your love reading. So you can stay tuned and watch that oracle guidance. So that may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, Taurus. So let's start with your love reading for your past and the present. What was the situation and what is the situation right now in this connection, in this relationship? So we have 10 of wands, page of wands in reverse, and knight of pentacles. So with these cards, guys, in your relationship, you are making lots of efforts. You are a very responsible person and you want this love to work, so you are making lot of efforts for this relationship to flourish, guys. And maybe you are trying to be really useful to this person you love, so you are helping them in every possible way, every means possible for you. So maybe in your past or even in the present, you are the person who shoulders every responsibility and who happily jumps in to shoulder responsibilities. And maybe that may appear as a too much of an indulgence on your part, guys. So your partner would have seen you as a person who is too bossy or too nosy, and that would have led to some kind of a difficult situations in your past, or it is creating some um fights or quarrels in your situation today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are in some kind of negative situation today. Certain things are not going right. Maybe this person is coming with some bad news to tell you, or you are worried about something about this love. Maybe though you are really helpful, though you are ready to shoulder the burdens of this love, uh, trying to help this person, but they may take it as something easy on your part. So they may not understand the worth, your love, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what are these cards for your future, guys. These are for the future of this connection. So it is Five of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles in reverse. So in this future, in this connection, guys, maybe you are what to say, the way you behave or the way you speak or act, that attracts many people to you. So this person you are in love with, they are aware of your charming personality, and they are acting this way, or they may act quite jealous of you because of your charm or because of how people are coming towards you. So that may be the reason for troubles in your future, guys. Maybe there may be someone interested in you coming towards you, and this person knows about that, and they may get envious or jealous of you because many people find you attractive, Taurus. So that may be the reason. But other than that, I see that you have happiness and contentment in this love in future, guys. Maybe this person you are in love with, they may understand you. They may understand your true love. So there may be people eyeing you, but still you have eyes only for this person. You love them. So that is what is that positive thing that is going to bring this person towards you strongly, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. If you want that detailed oracle guidance, you can watch it, guys. It's coming up right now, Taurus. For your general oracle guidance, guys, these are the cards. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start with the first card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. It is Clean It Up. So that is the card for y'all. So with this card, the energy is, it just means getting to the core of a situation, freedom from burden. So every now and then we feel bogged down by that emotional gunk that we have. So maybe we are surrounded by clutter in our house or in our work situation, overwhelmed. So it is time to clean the house today. So everything that is out of place, everything that is not needed there, when it is there, it just occupies that place and it, what to say, it creates a negative energy in our situation, guys. It takes up that energetic space. So every unpaid bill or unnecessary thing, when it is removed, we are cleaning our energetic space. So when we just make room for ourselves, we are just giving more space for miracles to take place in our life. So we need to make space for that positivity to come into our life, guys. So anything unresolved you have to go for that, guys. You have to sweep it away today. So that is the reading with this card. That is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the second card here for those who have chosen this card. This card, Mookaite Jasper. So let's see. With this card, guys, the energy is that this is a time for you to go on a new adventure. Maybe take few risks, experience that unknown territory in your life. So the safe road is not the one you need to take right now, guys, because your soul is on the path of healing and it wants to experience that fulfillment and joy today. So this crystal, it stands for that adventurous mode of living, guys. Do not protect yourself. Do not hold back from getting hurt. For this crystal is here to encourage you to take that leap, take that risk, have that confidence from knowing that universe is here guiding you each and every step of the way, guys. So you need to let go of your worries, your old beliefs. So step out and take that path, take that risk maybe. So you need to be on a adventurous mode and say no to playing it safe, guys. So this crystal stands for that adventure, and through adventure, you are going to discover that wonderful gifts are waiting for you, new ideas, new people, new experiences, new possibilities are here right now, ready for you. So, all you need to do is to be bold and take that first step. So, that is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.